Join me on a cold Saturday morning, 2 degrees, on my way to the garage. As you can see, engine management light is on, having issues with the spark plugs. The ones that you actually get from Vauxhall have now been changed and they don't actually work on this car anymore. It's as if it's blowing the spark out. It doesn't seem to be doing it today. It's an exceptionally cold morning and it seems to be helping it a little bit, but no, not doing it. When you come on boost, it's almost as if it's blowing the spark out. It's not like as if it's got a misfire. So let's get to the garage, see what we can do with these other plugs. Not looking too bad. Unfortunately, the wrong ones. Right, so looking at these ones, got double terminal, wrong ones. Car does not like these. They're the ones that we need, but they also need to be gapped. 0.7. Right. So nicely gapped there. 0.7. Beers and Stoken back.
Drag race at the top.
I see you thrashing the fuck out of that the other day.
I'll let it warm up first.
I didn't. I saw a blue speck in my rearview mirror. I didn't see any.
Does feel better, to be fair though. Like I say, when it starts coming on boost light, it's almost like it's blowing the spark out on the spark plugs. So got the right ones, recapped them, see what this goes like now. Unfortunately, we've got somebody doing 25 miles an hour in front of us.
Probably a Karen. They call them Karens of the millennial, don't they?
Yeah, yeah.
It's probably a careful Karen in a Freelander.
Karen or Kevin.
That could be a Kevin, yeah. Or a who knows in today's world?
Or a Keith.
Or a Keith. Nice and stable on the road.
Yeah, it's not too bad. I got the tracking done the other day, like, because the bottom ball joints were fucked. Absolutely destroys bottom ball joints for fun, this thing, like. But then again, I suppose 300 brake coming out the front wheels, like trying to pull the wheels apart every time you give it big licks.
Yeah. And on today's roads, it's inevitable,
well,
isn't it?
I try and avoid the potholes and stuff like that, like, but there are times when you just can't miss them, like, can you?
Yeah.
I'll turn around and give her a squirt, like she's warmed up now anyway. very temperamental, these things. I don't really like giving them a bit until they've warmed up. It's not like the trusty Fiesta where you can just kick its head in from cooled, like, and it just loves it. It likes a bit of abuse, that one, like, you know.
Yeah.
Spin round here, like.
Sit behind the Range Rover.
I don't think you'd be steering behind.
No, I don't think you will either. Fucking hell.
Back end slid there. Typical, isn't it? Like, look at all these turning up now. Ready? Yeah.
Cool.
That seems to pull nicer now, like, because beforehand you got like a bit of a and then she went.
And we're off. Careful. Careful. Just 'cause it's fucking icy, man.
Got up to 60 quite well there.
I trust you, but
Yeah, I know what you mean. I'll slow it down on the bank.
does pull though. Give you that.
It's not too bad. No, that's much better. Still got a spanner light on, like, but
That's typical Vauxhall, isn't it?
yeah, I was just about to say.
That's the mechanic's stamp.
Hey mate, if it's got a spanner through the car and it's not an engine management light, right, I'm happy with that.
There you go.
A spanner light on this thing just means you've got more left in reserve.